purposes, pwede tayong mag-repack ng coffee, good for one serving. So, itong coffee drip bag is good for one serving. So, all you have to do is to repack your coffee dito. Okay? So, later on, syempre, tatanong ka, sir, paano natin ma-assure na safe yung coffee during delivery, baka matapon? Okay, first of all, yung coffee drip bag is not sealed. You need to seal. So, kung magre-repack po kayo ng coffee using this as one serving, kasama po dito ang tinatawag naming flat pouch. So, ito po yung flat pouch that goes with the coffee drip bag. So, itong flat pouch is bottom fed. Ibig sabihin dito mo sa ilalim ipapasok yung coffee drip bag. Of course, with coffee na yun. And then dito siya isi-seal. So, dito sa taas, andito yung tear notch niya. Okay, yung tear notch. So, all you have to do is, yun, tulad ng demo kanina, magandang. Depende sa inyo kung ilan scoop. 3 ba or 2 scoops, depende sa inyo. So, ako, ang gagawin natin is, maglalagay tayo ng 3 scoops. Yun. 1, 2, and 3. Yan. So, meron tayong 3 scoops. Okay. So, meron tayong 3 scoop. So, pa-flatten natin itong ibabaw. And then, of course, ito pang kuwan lang, para hindi lang matapon. So, and then, kunin natin yung flat pouch. So, ipasok natin siya sa loob. Ayun. So, of course, hindi siya matatapon kasi nasa loob siya. Okay? So, how do you seal a flat pouch? Pwede kayong gumamit ng ito, impulse sealer. Okay? So, ito yung impulse sealer. So, usually, ito yung ginagamit pag seal sa mga plastics. So, itong flat pouch, ito yung ginagamit pang seal sa flat pouch. Okay? So, i-seal na natin to. So, make sure na diretso. Yun. Alright. So, yan. So, sealed na siya. Okay? So, sealed na. So, this is sealed. Yun. So, kung ibebenta nyo to, of course, huwag nyong kalimutan lagyan ng label. Okay? So, for those starting out, I recommend is to make a good design, a label design, tapos pagawa nyo ng sticker, so ilagay nyo dito yung sticker. And make sure you follow the mandatory labeling requirements. Okay? So, guys, regarding dun sa mandatory labeling requirements, meron po tayong separate video dito sa YouTube channel natin regarding that topic. Okay? So, for questions regarding this product, the coffee drip bags, and the flat pouch, please don't hesitate to comment down or visit my Facebook page, MFG Packaging and Labeling. Yun. Anyway, I know, magtatanong kayo, magkano ba or ilan ba sa isang pack? So, this one, the coffee drip bag is 50 pieces in one pack. Okay? Yun namang flat pouch is 100 pieces po. So, may available tayong black, meron tayong white, and of course, meron tayong yellow craft. Ito. So, depende sa preference nyo. Ito po yung available natin ngayon. So, depende sa preference nyo. So, yun. So, ito, meron akong nagawang dalawa. So, sorry, paglikan. Ito pala, ganun pala. Okay, so, ang coffee drip bags na ganito with the packaging. So, pwede nyo ito ibenta sa mga opisina, diba? Sa individual na, hindi ng tubig, pwede nang minom ng native coffee. Yun. So, guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.